Have you ever wanted to customize your album covers on iPhone photos? In this video, I will show you how to change album cover photos on your iPhone with just a few simple steps. After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to quickly and easily select from existing images and set the perfect custom cover, and you'll be able to create an individualized look for each of your albums in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the photos on your iPhone and then tap on Albums at the bottom of the screen. And now you'll be able to see all of your albums. So go ahead and tap on the album for which you want to change the cover photo. And then select the photo from that album. Just long press on that photo, and then you will see a bunch of different options. So from this menu, tap on Make Key Photo. And that will make the photo that you selected as the cover of your album. So if I go back, you'll see that the album cover photo is exactly the one that I just selected. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.